This thing in for a wrap. It's going to this. It used to be this color. This is just the first phase. I did this one myself, but to be honest, it's a little sloppy. I've never worked with chrome. That was my first time working with chrome. So it looks all right, but my boss, Alec or Tyler, can definitely do a lot better than me on this thing. So we'll check it out once that thing's done. This thing got a full clear bra, hood, fenders, lights, headlights, the frumper, side mirrors, door handles. It already had an impact zone in the back, so we didn't do that one. Came out super clean. Did it for Aston Martin of San Diego. Looks killer, looks mint. And then we got this bad boy right here. I'm doing a full wrap on. It was black, going to the green. It's gonna look killer too once we hit it with that ceramic pro. But this video is gonna entail the exhaust install we did on the Mustang, the V6. I've done a few other installs on that car on my channel, so you'll have to check it out. I'll put them in the link, or I'll put the links in the bio. Sorry. Early, just getting here. Finally have the lift too. We used it for the exhaust. Gonna be painting that today and just getting an A1 and matching the whole place here, you know? Dude, Alec, get some revs for the boy, you know? Where's Kyle's new car? Oh shit, the new one.